Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is sponsored by Beauty Forever here, and I'll be showing you guys what they sent to me. So this is the box that the wig came in. My hair looks like this now just because I'm actually going to be doing a V-part wig, and I only need to, like, only the middle part is gonna be showing, or only the middle part I'm gonna be like using or whatever. But anyways, I'm just gonna be showing you guys what the wig looks like, what they sent to me in the box before I start actually like doing up my hair. So this is the box that the wig came in. I'm just gonna be showing you guys the package. This package, inside the package, and it contains some lashes. These lashes are very long. I don't think I'm going to like actually wear them, but yeah. So this is the lash that they sent me. They sent me this scarf, which is this. They sent me some clips, and what else did they send me? They sent me a lot of stuff, so no lie. So they sent me like 3 different wig cap, and I'm probably sure it's almost like by mistake, but they sent me 3 different ones. I'm sure it's by mistake. And Beauty Forever headscarf or a headband that you would put on if you're supposed to do baby hairs and stuff, but it's not a LASIK, so I don't need to tie any baby hairs down. And they also sent me this bag to put the wig in when I am done wearing it. So let me just show you guys what the wig looks like. And this is a V-part wig. I know about a U-part, but this is my first time trying a V-part wig. So yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys that and how it looks. Okay, so this is Body Wave Brazilian hair, and this is 22 inch. So 22 inches, and this is how it looks. And I'm guessing that a V-part is for you to leave less hair out. So you know, for a U-part it would have been deeper, so you would have had to like leave way more hair out. But I think this V-part was made for us to leave minimal to no hair out. So what I'll be doing today is I'm gonna try doing like an install with no hair out, and then I'm going to be doing like one after with my hair out. So I'm going to be fixing the middle of my hair right now, and then I'm gonna come back and then start the installation process.
Yeah, I love you so down to nothing. It's been weeks now without talking. It is time you give me something, 'cause I've given.
Oh my, I'm drowning in you crystallize. Oh, I feel you got me. So you spin the spiral again and again, but I see standing right off the top. So you learn me dancing like crazy. Yes, I wouldn't mind it.
Okay guys, so like I said, I'm going to be trying to do it with no leave out at first, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add the leave out just so you guys can have options and you guys could actually see what it looks like with leave out and also with none. So this is no leave out right now.
Yeah, I love you so down to nothing. It's been weeks now without talking. It is time you give me something, 'cause I've given.
Oh my, I'm drowning in you crystallize. Oh, I feel you got me. So you spin the spiral again and again, but I see standing right off the top. So you learn me dancing like crazy. Yes, I wouldn't mind it. Oh, 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 oh.
me, I would not wear this without a leave out, just because I feel like there's this thick part on the hair that will show that it is actually a wig. So I would definitely not wear it without like leave out. So I'm going to be doing my leave out just now. And also I think because I did not braid down my hair underneath tight enough for it to hold it in place, I feel like that's why it's not really giving what I want it to give. So yeah, no, I'm gonna go ahead and take out my leave out and actually do it like how I would normally do it. But yeah guys, so I decided to do my leave out. So this is all I'm leaving out because it is a V-part wig. Like I said, I don't need to leave out all of that. I did do 2 braids on the sides, which I'm going to be putting in this back here. I'm gonna straighten right here, which I haven't done in a long time. So I'm gonna put some heat protectant spray on it. I'm gonna put double protectant on it. So I'm gonna put this first, then I'm gonna put this one. Oh my gosh, my hands are slippery. And honestly, I'm happy for the V part because I don't have to leave that much hair out, because I don't like leaving my hair out. I hate straightening my hair.
Yeah, I love you so down to nothing. It's been weeks now without talking. It is time you give me something, 'cause
No, you know what's so funny? I feel like I should have actually I should have put on the wig first before doing this part, so I'm gonna do that.
But I see standing right off the bat, so you learn me dancing like crazy. Yes, I wouldn't mind it.
Final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. For me personally, I would definitely do it with a little bit of leave-out because I just feel like it makes it look more natural. Without the leave-out, I think I would have to braid it like small in the middle for it to like look properly, but I don't really like it without the leave-out. I like it better with this. So once again, I would like to thank Beauty Forever Hair for sponsoring this video. I am absolutely in love with this, and I'm happy they're making like smaller parts, just because I feel like with the U part, we were like leaving out too much of our natural hair, especially for people like me who don't really like straightening my hair. At least it's not like almost half of my head top that I straighten. Like it's pretty much just this little part right here. But yeah, I love it. I feel like I'm wearing almost like clip-ins or tape-ins. Like that's the vibe it's giving me, or a sew-in pretty much. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, I absolutely love this. And yeah, if you guys want to purchase this wig, the link will be down in the description box, so do not forget to check it out. Thank you guys for watching, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Also guys, I will be doing a updated length check for my natural hair. I probably will be doing a silk press soon. I don't know, I want to do it, but I'm very scared. But I probably will just do it like that one time. But I'll probably do it on myself. I won't be going anywhere to let anybody do that on me, just because I feel like I don't want nobody to be running 4 passes of like hot flat iron through my hair, heat, all that. No, I don't want it. No, but I'll probably do it on myself. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.